It's Jim, and in the short vid, I'm going to show you how you can create a list of accounts or companies, which is the first main ingredient we will use for outbound lead generation efforts. We will be using Clay for this and utilize its basic company enrichment, which does not cost any Clay credits. Okay, to start, let's create a new table and then go here in the company section and click Find Companies. This option contains several filters that we use to make sure that we're building an account list that matches our ICP or ideal customer profile. In this example, I will be searching for RegTech or regulatory technology companies located in the UK. So you can start with putting in similar companies in this category. You just need their company domains, or you can refer to their company description as well, but I won't be using it from here. The next option is you can exclude an existing Clay table, which might be in the same category, so you won't be creating a list full of duplicates. In here, you can filter the company's industry, which is based on LinkedIn. And since we're dealing with regulatory technology, I'll be putting in industries related to IT or software, like IT services and consulting. And there's also an exclude filter there. Next would be the company size. So it would depend on your targeting, but our ICP includes small RegTech firms up to large RegTech firms. So that would be 2 to 10 employees up to 5,000 to 10,000 employees. And for the company type, we're just focusing solely on privately held companies. And here in the description keywords, we are only including companies who describe themselves as either RegTech or regulatory technology companies. And in the location, you can actually input several countries. Though Clay doesn't have an option, say you're targeting the APAC region, you still have to put all of the APAC countries in the field because it doesn't have an option for a certain region. And in the last field, you can limit the results, but the maximum Clay can pull up is actually 50,000 records. And it would depend on your plan. So in some users, it will be lower than that. So I've already put in the relevant industries that I mentioned, as well as the company size, the company type, and the description keywords in this field, and also the location or country. And based on the preview, we managed to pull up 500 companies. So we will be importing this into a new table, but if you have an existing one, you can also add it there instead. So you would just hit continue for free because this is a basic company enrichment and does not cost any Clay credits. All right, so we are now here at the company table and we managed to pull up 500 records of companies without spending any Clay credits. And it provided the basic company information such as the name, the website, the LinkedIn URL, the country, etc. But if you want to obtain other company data such as actual employee count, company address, and more, you have to use the enriched company column, which is this, and it costs 1 credit per row. But this basic company information is enough as long as you have the company website and the company LinkedIn URL. And to check if their URLs are valid, we can use this enrichment to validate their URL. Let's just type in check if URL is valid. Okay, so we will use this enrichment and it doesn't consume any credit at all. And let's hit continue to add fields and let's pull up this and save and run 500 rows. All right, so the enrichment process is finished and you can exclude the rows which contains invalid URLs. So you can exclude it here. Valid is checked. And this list is ready for the next step, and you can use other enrichment providers to find contacts in this company, or you can export this table into a CSV and then reload it to another tool. They'll help you find more relevant people for your outreach. So yeah, that's it, and hope this helps and happy prospecting. Thanks.